Okay, fine.
What's this? Oh. I open so much of this. I don't even know the one that.
Sorry?
I open two of these. I don't know the one that's actually working now.
Oh, Zoom?
Yeah, the Zoom.
Okay, fine. See, there's a button called share screen. Okay, let me.
I know. I've seen it, but I just minimize. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, good. Before I get just a moment.
Okay.
Because I want to share my screen so that you can see what I've done. Share my screen. Am I going to click on desktop?
Yeah, and share whatever you want to.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, now I'm able to see your Zoom screen.
Okay, good. Um, what's going on? Oh. Yeah, so every time I have to go to, yeah, why is it giving me this? Why is it giving me this? I want to go to the project I did.
Okay. Open your Pidoko page. I mean, just log into your Pidoko page. Yeah, that page. Click on that.
This?
No, don't go with the links. You need to open it separately, like www.pidoko.com, and then log in.
Uh,
Okay.
oh, okay, fine. I'm in.
Now click on.
My
You're already
project.
logged in, right? Yeah. Click on My Projects. That's it. Close it. You can see the list of projects you have made. My Pidoko project or my. Click on the next one. Yeah. Not this one. Drag it up. Yeah. Click on My Pidoko project. The second one. Second project details.
Uh,
I guess that is your recent one, right?
I wouldn't know. Maybe that one, maybe the first one.
Okay, fine. Simulate it and see. No. Wait. Okay,
Maybe
go
the first
back to my projects list and mention this as my Pidoko page.
one. Okay, I think this is the
Oh,
first
this
one.
is your first one. Okay.
Now the question is that how do I even give it a title?
Sorry,
If I,
how do you?
how can I give it a title?
Okay, title to your project or pages?
No, to my project.
Project. Okay, go back to your project list.
So project and to pages. So
No. This project space. Okay, now change your project. See, there's a beside my first project. There's something. There are icons. Edit, save, and something like that, right? No, not there. Little up, even more. Yeah,
yeah.
it's in the same line. At the right hand side, you can see edit, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, edit that and see. Save
Mm-hmm.
as, save as.
Save as okay.
Now change your name. Okay. No, not here, not here. Close this. Close this. Now within the same line at the right hand side, you can see some icons, right? Yeah, yeah. Now you can change it. No, beside, yes. Rename
Rename.
your project. This is what you're asking, right?
That's what I'm asking for.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. Okay. So it's changed. Okay, good. Now you are now saying if I want to name all the pages, so how do I do it? You know,
Again,
page
the
one.
same thing. Yeah. Go with your pages. Click on each and every page.
You mean here?
Oh, no, 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 not here, not here. Uh, Go to your page, project page, and see there's my Pidoco page 1 given. You
Yeah.
just double click on, no, no, even a little lower. Not here, not here. Page, yeah, now you can change it. See, it is highlighted. Now you can change your page.
Okay, let's call it welcome page. Sorry. Okay. So if I want to do two, I can call that login page or information page. Okay. But it's not giving. Oh, so it's now rearranging them based on alphabet.
Yeah, alphabetical order. It will work in an alphabetical order.
Okay. That might not be the best thing. Anyways, at least I've gotten how to do it. So let's go through them. So I've gotten how to name the project. The second thing is that how do we do the check the copy and paste?
Copy and paste. What do you want to copy?
Take for instance, now look at the first page. The first page, right? And, I actually simulated it. It's been simulated that if I have to log in, it takes me to this second page. Good. Now, like here.
Okay, wait. Oh yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Now, like here, I created this stars. Since it's going to be a continuous function for me in the process, I would love to like just copy it and paste where I need it to be. But I was unable to do that.
Oh, so, just the message or something else? Some links?
Anything on the screen, whether message or something like that, if I really want to like.
Okay, first you need to have that in your stencil palette. Then only you can do that.
Where?
Okay. Why don't you do it like this? Click on images.
Here, from here?
Yeah, at the top. At the top. No, not that image. At the top list, yeah. Click on that image.
Upload
Whatever
image.
you have in your system, you can copy paste it over here, or just save it here and drag it to your palette.
No, what I'm saying is that you know the upload is if I have some system that I want to bring here. But part of the things that I've been doing, that's why I showed the second.
Oh no, I didn't get that. I didn't get that. Shola, please repeat that.
Like from this page. I've created this. Thing, right?
And you want to copy paste it?
Yeah, I just want to copy this and paste it here. And to make the job fast, easily.
Oh, okay. There's a cut, copy, paste, right? Okay, fine. What I want to do is, yeah, first select whatever you want to copy.
Okay, like this?
Yes, exactly.
No. Okay.
Okay, then copy it.
Yeah.
And
So
place your cursor at a different place and start pasting it.
Let's say here, I want to
Maybe,
paste.
yeah.
I put my cursor there, then paste.
No, you need to double click and simply, okay, maybe Control V. That should.
Okay, Control V. Let me do that. I've done Control V. It's not
Okay, click
coming.
on paste. Click on paste. Just click on paste. Paste.
On paste. Okay, we have paste here.
Yeah, paste.
I've done that.
Not working? Should work.
It's not working. So because I tried it a couple of times yesterday. Yeah, in order to make the job fast, instead of
okay, let me do it from my end. Give me a minute. Okay. I need your credentials too.
What do you need?
Idoco credentials?
I think so. My password and what?
Yeah, your email ID and password, please.
My email ID is JA. BA.
Sorry?
JABA.
Oh, can you please message me through chat?
Okay.
There's a chat list, right? Ping.
Why chat?
Hi, Zubair.
Hi, Shuni. Hi.
Okay. I'm just going through with some doubts from Shola, okay?
Yeah. I was listening, yeah.
Yes, Shola?
Yeah.
I want you to, okay, fine, got it. And your password?
I'm giving.
Okay. You can stop sharing.
Okay. Hi, Mohammed.
Hi, Shola.
How was the weekend?
Yeah, weekend was kind of busy. I'm shifting my place, my home. So, luggage and all shifting and all that was going on the weekend. How was your weekend?
Safe now.
Yeah. Cool.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I have opened your project, ICMS, okay, information page. Now, if you want to copy something, right, let me do it. See, first, you need to copy. Okay. Oh, wait. What's happening? Where's my clipboard? Yeah, it's working. Okay, fine. Let me do it again for you.
Okay.
Shola, what I did is I have just selected this, the same thing. Maybe there was some issue with the button, something like that. I have selected this. I'm clicking on controls. I'm using Control C for copy. And then in a different place, again, I'm pasting it. Control V. Okay, that's it. See?
Okay, it has to be on the same place. You now drag it.
Yeah, exactly. Yes. Okay.
Okay then.
See, we have already worked on this first name. That's the reason I'm getting the same.
Yeah. So that like that, it makes it easy.
True. It will be a little faster for you.
Hello. Copy from the first name. Go to the second function. Yeah. Copy from the first name. No. The first name.
Okay.
First name to cover exactly something like that. Copy it.
Okay, you can do that.
Yeah, let's see. Okay.
Oh, wait. There's a mistake.
Yeah.
Oh, what happened? Wait. It's the same thing, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Great.
Just take your time. Maybe it will take some time to copy, hold it and paste it. That's it.
And hold it and paste it. Because it will make the job very, very easy.
Yes.
Okay. So we can undo all this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any more questions, Shola?
Yeah, let's go to another page. Okay.
Okay, now I'm stopping at my end. You can share your screen and ask your question.
You be with it. Let's go. You be there.
Okay. Actually, I'm not able to hear you. Like, your voice is as if you're sitting somewhere.
Yeah, I think that I should have what to.
Sorry?
Okay. Which operating it now? Am I sharing my screen or you?
It's me.
You okay? Go to the pages. Go to the page info.
Okay.
No. Okay, you are starting it again. No problem. Yeah, maybe I think page 4. Go to page 4. Or can you scroll down? Okay, yeah. For this years, the years no driving unknown.
Sorry?
For the years, yes. Yeah, all these 4 functions. Now, I wish that if you drop on it, is there a way, for instance, what I'm trying to say is that in the real life, can you take off this? In the real life, if I ask a question like this, is the driver of the insurance vehicle as the same? He said yes. If it, yes, I want other boxes to drop.
If it is yes, and what do you want?
I want, if it is yes, other things, functions to drop for him to fill. If it is no, other information I want to get it from them. But I can't do a drop box with yes. So
first, what you're supposed to do is you need to create a separate page for that. Okay? And then use that interaction here, like give a link over here and use it.
So, link. How will I do that?
Okay, wait, I'll show you. Let's say I'm creating a new page. And you want that to be from your fourth page. What is that you want me to copy paste all these things?
Okay, let's copy. Just copy anything, no problem. Just copy anything. Copy all these.
Okay. Now. Okay.
Yeah.
Now go back to your
fourth
page again. This time, this is the drop down.
Yes.
Click on interaction. Click on new interaction. Now under URL, I want you to give page 7.
Oh, good.
Okay, now simulate it and see. If yes.
Yeah. Okay, great. Okay. Because that's good. That's what I need. Okay. Okay, can you just do the review of all the pages and see, and then possibly quickly make comments and things like that, then we go on.
Okay, fine. For that, I need your PDF. Maybe you can.
So that we can go to today's lecture.
Okay, yeah. First, finish all your things, the changes, whatever we have made, and whatever you want to make, and then send me a final version. Okay.
Okay.
Any more questions?
No, not for now.
Okay, and from you, sorry, Zubair?
Yeah, like Ashwini, I managed to select my project. I have gathered some requirements. The project is a library management system, and I actually want to show you the document the way I have captured information.
Okay, maybe I'm stopping you at my end. You can share your screen.
Sure. Shall I press share screen?
Yes, you can do that.
Yeah, this is the document that I have prepared. You're able to see the screen? Yeah. It is a library management system. The thing is, I'll give you a brief introduction of the project. It's like we have to develop a web-based application that is normally used by librarians, and this will basically help the librarians to manage the subscribers who take the books and manage the books individually, and also manage the check-in and check-out times, like when a particular member is borrowing the book and returning the book. So that is the whole purpose of this application. Okay, and now, yeah, I have captured it like this, just a high-level requirements. I have made a table, requirements from the user, and one is a requirement ID, then the requirement, what is actually needed, the source, you can say from where it has come, and the priority. This all depends on this thing. Now, the requirement statements are like this. The first requirement ID is 001, and here we have to here the requirement is need to check the username and password for logging into the system. Okay, and the password should be hashed while entering. This is the first requirement. The first thing. Okay, the next thing is need to have a home page that shows the list of all the books that are registered in the system. Okay, the list should be the list of rows and columns like a grid format, and the first column should be a radio button indicating the book that is selected. Okay, and third requirement is the list in the home page, that is the second page, should have the following columns, that is the grid should have the following columns. Okay, then in the same page, that is the home page, it has, after the grid, it should have this 3 buttons: details, check-in and check-out. Now when you click on the details button, okay, it goes to a details page and it displays the details of the book. Okay, and these are the columns that it displays for each book. When you select a radio button, okay, for the books that are registered, and when you click on details, it will go to a detail page and it shows this grid. I mean, it goes to the page and shows the details of the book in a grid format. Same thing with all these columns. Okay, then if you go back to the home page, then after that, we have this checkout button also that I've listed above, checkout and check-in. If you click the checkout button, if you select the book and click the checkout button, again it goes to the next page and displays all these requirements. That is, it shows the name of the person who's borrowing, okay, and mobile number of the person who's borrowing, the national ID of the person, then the date the book is checked, okay, then expected return day of the book, and the return day should be like it is a business rule that it should be 15 days after the checkout date. And then the next button that was there on the homepage, that is check-in button. If you press the check-in button, it should go to another page and it should give these details. That is name of the person who has the book, okay, and mobile number of the person, the return day of the book, and the required the actual return day of the book, and the required return day of the book.
These are the possible conditions.
Yeah. Okay, and this is some user requirements that I've listed, like the look and page, the page look and feel should be consistent, and it should have the proper.
These are like cosmetic requirements.
Yeah.
Good. So it seems like you have some experience in writing requirements.
Oh, this is the first time actually I've written a requirement.
Oh, I really appreciate it. It's like in a more segregated form.
Oh, okay, okay.
Now, I mean, yeah, make it simple like this. Like you want to just come up with a functionality where your user borrows books from a librarian and
Yeah.
all the related functionalities with respect to that borrow, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, sounds good. So maybe while writing all these things, I mean, all these requirements, it's not high-level requirement document. It's like you have mixed everything, HLR and low-level requirements together.
Okay, high level and the low level requirements together.
Yeah, it's like if you can detail it more, then it will be a low-level requirement document. If not, that is like, see, for example, the very first one under requirements, like you need to check the username and password for logging into system. That's high level.
Yeah.
The second one,
High
followed
level.
by all these things, are low-level requirements for you. Okay? Detailed are your low-level requirements.
Okay. Actually, when I made this document, I was not very satisfied. Actually, because the thing is, on any given initiative, that is, like whenever business analyst is given an initiative, the first and foremost thing what he needs to do is to understand the scope of the project, right?
Yes.
The scope of the initiative that he has to do, and how does he do that?
Okay, fine. See, first we need to discuss with the client, and then we'll talk about deliverables. What is that he's expecting from this project? Okay. Let's say, for example, in your case, library management system. What is your deliverable?
My deliverables would be a BRS, a BRD, and then a detail SRS.
Okay. What is that you're giving your client at the end?
A web-based application.
A web-based application which is used for managing all the library processes, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, just give me a second. I'll show you.
Yeah. Sure.
Yes, Shola.
Yeah, are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording this session. Don't worry.
I just want to know.
Ashwini, you want me to stop sharing my screen and?
Not required. Just a second.
Okay.
Searching for something. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I want you to stop sharing now. Okay?
Yeah, I'll stop.
Actually, we are just in the initial phase. Like we are still gathering requirements, right? And then once we finalize based on our initial set of requirements, then we'll define our scope statement. So we need to work on, we need to list out all those things in our PRD document. We haven't discussed yet, right? What is a PRD? How we write them?
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, that's the problem. Maybe that link is missing for you. See, once we are done with giving the project scope, this is what we come up with. Like deliverable means I want you to list out what is that you're giving to your client. So you're giving a web-based application which has got all these things like how do you manage a library process.
Okay.
I'm showing you a sample, right? So based on this, start working on your functionalities. And we need to be very careful while writing a scope statement, because whatever we write in the scope statement, we are supposed to deliver only those things. If your client is looking for something else which is not written in a scope statement, that is out of scope and you need not bother about that. Maybe that will be like an enhancement, or like you will be coming up with that in next version.
Yeah, a scope creep, you can say.
Yes, exactly.
Perfect. Okay, so the thing is, whenever you define a project scope, that should be signed by the client.
Yes, the respective stakeholders. Once you get a sign off, then only you proceed with that.
Yeah.
Okay. See, as I said, it's like we are doing in bits and bytes fashion as of now. Once you're through with BRD SRS, you can link all of them.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay. Any more questions?
Okay, like the first thing what the BA does is he understands the scope of the project, then he plans for his approach. Okay, that is what is the scope and what are who are the stakeholders of your project, and what are the deliverables you have to produce, and what are the techniques you have to use, and what are the timelines of the deliverables.
Yes,
okay, once
all
he does
these things will be included in SRS, the timelines and all those things. Like just the high level requirements and low level requirements are included in a BRD. Analysis part and SRS.
Okay, analysis. That is okay. You mean the use cases and all that, wireframes and all in the SRS?
Exactly. You have. I don't think you have gone through the recording.
No, yeah, I'm not going through the recording because actually,
Okay, that's the reason you're getting questions.
Yeah, I actually searched for the recording. I don't have the recordings with me. Yesterday I was searching it. I don't have the recordings. Yeah.
Arjun mentioned that you have all the recordings with you.
I mean, your recordings. That is your classes.
Yes, the previous one too. Like whatever. I mean, for the sessions, whatever you were not there, right? Like Arjun mentioned that you have all the recordings right from the scratch.
No, Arjun has given me some other recordings of some other person. Like, I have those recordings. It's like classes taken by some other person. Yeah, some like foreign or something. It was like that. Those recordings I've got.
Okay. Let's do it like this. Shola?
Yeah.
I hope you have all the recordings with you, right?
Say again.
Do you have all the recordings?
The recording?
Yeah.
Yes.
All the things, like all the sessions, right?
The one we've done together.
Sorry?
I said the classes we have done since the beginning.
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
Okay, can you please share them with Zubair?
Okay.
Not now, maybe after the session.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Maybe I think Arjun has mistakenly forwarded different things with you. Actually, we worked on SDLC in detail, like each and every phase, what is the outcome, how that will be input for the next phase, so that you won't be you won't be able to miss all these things. I mean,
correct.
Tracking process.
Perfect. Yeah, I will go through the recordings. If I have any notes, then I'll come back to you. That
sounds good. Perfect.
Okay. Yeah.
Any more?
Okay.
Any more questions?
Yeah, like Ashwini, like okay, once he finishes planning his approach and he identifying the stakeholders, let's say he has to get the requirements from the stakeholders. Okay, then he has chosen a particular stakeholder, like let's say a face-to-face meeting interview, and he wants to gather the requirements. And while gathering the requirements, okay, that is in a face-to-face this thing. How do you document the requirements? Like how do you?
Yeah, actually, we'll be having a predefined documents with us. Okay. Based on some initial discussions with the client, we'll be deciding upon the format, what we are supposed to take. And while we are in the discussions, it may be interview kind of thing also, right? Like one-on-one interview. We'll be having some predefined questions and predefined discussions also. We can decide upon the topics what we want to discuss. And then we can interact and then get the answers. It's like preferably if it is like longer sessions, then we are even eligible to record that sessions. Okay. And then if it is like simple thing, one-on-one or just questionnaire based, then we can note it down all the answers from him in a predefined document.
Predefined. Okay. So before the elucidation session, I'll prepare my own questions. Like, do we have a list of standard questions that if he asks those questions, we will get to know the almost at least you can say 50 to 75% of what the stakeholder is saying.
That's what I shared with you, right? The other day I
those questions. Yeah, I have those. Okay, those questions, right?
From those questions only, you'll be getting customized questions for your project.
Okay, customized questions. Okay, and where do I document that? Like, I mean, shall I document in the same way that the way I've documented this library management system?
Yeah, usually you can start with a simple Word document or Excel sheet, but after coming to your place, I mean, your company, you'll be having standard templates, what your company will follow.
Oh, okay. Use the standard.
Like that, you'll need to give every detail, not like just a sample one or just a rough one. You need to detail everything on each and every section.
Okay.
These predefined documents are prepared by you, only for your comfort.
Okay. So normally in a company has his own documents, standard documents.
Yeah, every company will be having its own set of templates. And if you do with all the things which I'm sharing with you, that's more than enough. I mean, all the templates which I'm sharing with you, that's more than enough. You can play with multiple other templates too.
Okay. So those templates you have already shared, or you're going to share with us?
I have shared only the basic ones. I have not. I mean, we have not yet dealt with BRD SRS. So when BRD SRS, then I'll share related documents and templates with you.
Okay, like for example, if at all the company, let's say, doesn't have any standard templates, then how do we?
You
How
can
do I
suggest something. Yeah, obviously, you can suggest something and you can proceed with the default templates.
default templates? Okay, the one which I've designed now for the library management system, is it okay to start with?
It's only the initial one, okay, to start with.
Initial one, just to start with. I mean, initial, like a discussion, let's say, for a
Yes,
small
yes.
initiative like this. Like
Yes.
this library management system is a small project, so for that
Small.
initiative, this
Yeah,
uh,
that's more than enough. Yes.
more than enough, right? Okay, and what exactly should be the wordings? I was not satisfied by the way I've written my wordings because it was not very clear. Now when I'm going
Uh,
to it,
okay, see.
yeah.
For that, I have again given you some list of terms. Okay, wait. Shola,
Yeah.
do you remember I have given you some list of terms for which I wanted you to come up with the definitions?
Yes.
Oh.
But that was an assignment, right?
Yes, yes. Is it done?
Okay. Yeah, but I think I've sent I've sent the stuff to you, the common definition. Do you want me to?
Okay. Only some of them, right? Not all of them.
Yeah, some of them like SOS and things that you mentioned there. Is that what you're talking about?
Okay, okay, fine. No, I just want to cross check. Actually, Zubair, like there will be some
Yeah.
list of terms which we use in our day-to-day conversations with maybe stakeholders or with your technical team. Okay, only
Okay. Yeah.
30 or 30 plus. Preferably while writing the requirement documents, we need to use them. And most of the time, 90% of the 90% of the terms are related to your conversation itself.
Okay. So
For
90% of the time we'll be
example,
using. Yeah.
your library management system, it's the project from your end, right?
Mine. Correct. Correct. Yes.
So you're using your own terms.
Exactly.
In
Yeah.
similar fashion, look at Shola's application. He's using all claim-related terms, right? Because he's aware of that. So your client will, whenever your client gives some information, you need to put that in a professional manner. That's it. I mean, a good English, nothing more than that.
Exactly.
Same
Yeah.
thing.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah.
There's no hard and fast rule that you need to follow some specific set of English only, nothing like that.
Yeah, it's just that just to be more professional,
That's it.
on the professional front. Okay, so
I
like
want to show you some. I mean, I have already shared a simple HLR LLR document with Shola. Maybe for your information, let me share it again. Actually, the meeting will end in 10 minutes. No issues. You after 5 seconds, log into the same link, both of you. Okay.
Perfect. Yeah.
Okay. Ashwini, I just want to get something.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
Now, we're talking of high-level document and low-level.
Exactly.
What's the difference? The high-level.
Okay. High-level document is like you'll be getting only high-level requirements from your client. Okay. And when you start detailing it, analyzing the high-level requirements, you'll get low-level requirements.
Okay. So breaking down high-level requirements to smaller pieces is called low-level requirements.
Yes, yes. This is what Zubair has did, right? Like his 5 high-level requirements are like logging into the application and some functionalities like what should be the drop-down, search criteria. All those are high-level requirements. And when he starts detailing that, what should be included in the search criteria and login details, all these are low-level requirements.
Okay.
And look at this application. It's like this is for my internal process, resource management software, and it's like usually actually there was no proper protocol followed in my company. Whenever there's a resource request, maybe a physical resource, I mean the human resource or technical resource. I mean to say the applications what we use in our project. Whenever we are in need of such resource, usually we'll raise request with my manager. Okay? And after that, we are not aware like what is happening with that request. No one is having a proper information on that. Like he will be sending a request to the admin or the vendor. Admin will be sending that to a vendor. Vendor will be sharing the details with us. Like if it is available, he'll be sending the proper information. Or else he'll forget about that, right? Like if at all, if it's not having at that time, someone needs to get a confirmation or an alert message on that, right?
Yeah, correct.
So proper tracking is missing. So we came up with this resource management software to make sure that every transaction is sent to the respective person, whoever is in need of that link. Let's say if I'm requesting a resource, like I need a software engineer who has got so and so knowledge, maybe .NET and then at the back end. MSSQL. I need a person. I need a resource. Then I'll be raising a request to my manager. My manager will be sending that request to HR. HR will be searching and he will finalize all these things. And for every finalization, like every transaction, HR will be sending a message to my manager along with me. Okay, like I will be having a proper update on my request.
Okay.
And once it is done, like once the person is finalized and then he starts working under me, that request ends.
Okay.
Okay, just have a glance on these requirements so that you'll have an idea what I'm talking about.
Great. Yeah. Ashwini, would you mind if you share this document with me?
Oh, sure, definitely. I'm going to share with you also. Anyways, Shola is having this.
Okay. This is the low level requirement, right?
I don't have
yes.
it.
You don't have this?
No, I don't have it.
Oh, sorry then. I'm going to do it now. Don't worry, I'll do that.
Okay. Like Ashwini, the 5.1, 5.2, those are high level requirements, right?
Yes.
5.1, those are low level requirements.
Exactly.
Okay.
This
So
is
that
what
is
you did. That's the reason I said is this in a professional manner for your application.
Okay.
See, this is what I'm expecting. My major concentration is on this one.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Shola, any questions?
I'm fine.
Okay. Sorry, I thought I have shared this document, but anyways, let me do it now.
Yeah. And actually, this document also and also the standard wordings, the standard way of wordings used by that document as well.
It's simple, right? We are using a normal language in a professional way. That's it.
There's no standard template that we in that. Like I thought like there's a standard word template in which we have some words or something like that,
Oh no, that won't be. I mean, for requirement gathering, you don't have a proper template. Once you're done with gathering everything and analysis, then you have BRD and SRS templates. We'll talk about BRD and SRS later.
Perfect. Yeah.
I hope you got some idea how it will be.
Yeah. Now I have the idea. Like, okay, so that is when first time I'm gathering requirements from the stakeholder. First time high level and low level will be in this fashion. This is the face of it.
Yes.
Perfect.
And imagine when you go to client for discussions, it will be a proper rough book for you. Usually, it will be like bits and bytes here and there, not in a standard format. So once you come back, then you start analyzing things, and then you make a proper template on it.
Okay, like this. Okay, that is the first thing. Okay, this is how we get the requirements.
If you're not sure, like which technique you use, maybe one-on-one or some questionnaire part, something like that.
Yeah.
You use recordings also. So all these are inputs for your BRD and SRS.
Okay, exactly.
All right.
Perfect. Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Now the other day I was mentioning about something like end to end. I want to show you some applications, live applications, right?
Yeah.
Using Pedogo. So while you were coming up with this requirements, like a library management process, I hope you were imagining some screens.
Yes.
Okay, how it should look like. So totally, how many screens you can come up with?
I think for this I can come up with 3, 4, 5, and you can say 6 to 7 screens.
Okay, fine. Yeah, 6 to 7, that's more than enough. Shola?
Yes.
Can we look into your Pedogo pages, because I just had a glance on that. It is not. Is it finalized one, or you want to make some more changes to it?
No, it's finalized.
Okay, maybe please share and explain us, and then I'll show you something from my end.
Okay.
I stopped sharing it.
Yeah, actually tomorrow I'll finish off my wireframe, this Pedogo one, and I'll explain to you tomorrow my screens.
Good.
Yeah.
So this is the welcome page.
Okay, please simulate it and show this. Explain us how your application works. So log in.
Yeah, log in. Put in the password, then log in. It goes to creating the claim report.
Okay.
Then the informations are filled, and after this it goes to.
Okay, you have not targeted this to other pages once you're done with the registration.
Okay, so I have to link them.
Yes, preferably.
Oh, okay. I'm going back completely.
That's the point. I mean, that's the important task from this pillar code, right? You'll be able to link and it's easy for you to explain also.
No, because so by standard, they could have been on the same page. All those things could have been on the same page, but because of space. Look at the previous page. That's the welcome page. Then I have the information page. So from the welcome page, it goes to the information page. Then, and the information page, I don't have anything to link to the next one, except that we still have to continue the information, which goes to the fourth page. So if I want to link that, what will I do? Do I have to say, so how will I link the third to the fourth?
Same thing, same. Okay, go back to your second page. I mean, after sign in or sign in page, yeah, this one. Use some buttons or links wherever required and then link them.
Okay, so since this is the last one, so I should have to link this to the next one.
Okay, no, not here. Let's say, for example, you are done with giving all this information. Just click on done.
Just do what?
Wait, give me a minute. See, at the end, include a button that if you are done, register with us. That's what you mean, right?
Yeah, no, register with me is this. That's on the 6th page. That's it, right? Submit claim.
Oh.
But if I have choice, I can put everything from every information on page 2 to page 6. I can put it on one page if I have choice. Right?
No, that's fine, Shola, but